Nation, Desk Got Heat, here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to lace your Timberlands. As you guys can see, I got a pair of Timbs right here. These are the wheat colorway, and I'm basically just going to be showing you guys how to lace them with 3 methods. So I hope you guys enjoy. Before we get started, I want you guys to go down there and smash that subscribe button for new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And while you're down there, smash that bell button and post #HeatNation in the comments below, and I'll give you a post notification shout out in my next video. So I'm just gonna unlace these for you guys real quick, and then I'm just gonna show you guys how to lace them. What I'm basically gonna do is I'm just gonna put them through the first 2 eyelets, just like this. This is the easiest step, just going through the first 2 eyelets, and then just make sure that you pull up to make sure that it's straight and that they're like aligned. Now you're just gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take the right lace and you're going to go through the left eyelet, going in the inside. You're gonna drop it to the side, take your left lace and go through the right eyelet, and you're going to go in again. And then you're just gonna keep doing this up until you reach right here. Continue to make sure that they're straight. That's how you lace them up. And now I'm just gonna show you how to tie them. Just like this one, but like a little bit shorter and a little bit more presentable. So basically what you wanna do is you wanna take your Timberlands and take your laces, and you wanna basically go through the same lace again. So basically take your right lace and go through the same eyelet loop that your left lace is in. Because you want to go too high up, or else it'll be hard to put the shoes on. Go through the same loop, and then do the same with the left lace. Go through the same loop that the right lace was coming out of. And then just like that, your laces are shorter, and then you basically just want to take them, and then you want to hold it like that. You want to wrap it around your finger, and then you want to take the 2 laces and then just put it through that little hole that your finger was just in, and basically just pull tight from there. And just like that, that's how you lace your Timberlands. That's the first method. Now I'm just gonna unlace these for you. I'm just gonna show you the second method to lacing your Timberlands. I'm just gonna unlace these real quick. So now I'm gonna show you the method where it hangs out of the 2 sides. You wanna do the same thing that you did earlier. Just put it in going inwards through the first 2 eyelets. And once again, make sure that the laces are straight. So now we're basically just gonna do the same thing that we did before, going inward. Whatever you do, just don't pull tight, or else they'll look like they're worker boots, and you don't want that look, especially if you're a girl and you're trying to style them. Just don't pull it tight. Make them kind of like loose. And yeah, just like that. Now here is where we switch up a little bit. We're gonna do that same thing where we come out through the same loop as the last one. And then what you wanna do is you basically just wanna loop around and come out of the one right above it, and then the lace can hang. You might wanna bend it a little bit so it can hang and not like stick out. And then do the same for this one. Loop around and then come out just like that. And then bend it a little bit so it can actually hang. And yeah, so that's the second method on how to lace your Timberlands. Just let the laces hang low, and you can also have the hang tag hang as well. This is really easy. You can slip them on real quick this way without having to tie them. Alright, so guys, third method to lacing your Timberlands is basically literally the same thing. So I'm not gonna undo them again. The same thing, except you're just pulling tight. So say you are that type of person that wants to pull tight on your Timberlands. This is basically how you do it. You just do the same thing that we just did earlier, and you just pull tight, but you don't go all the way up still, or else you're just gonna look really weird. Instead, you come all the way up here, and once you reach up here, just do the regular shoe tie, just like that. And that's the third method to lacing your Timberlands. And if you're a male, you can flop this tongue down right there. That's normally how boys rock their Timberlands, like that. But girls usually leave the tongue up. So yeah guys, those are basically my 3 methods to lacing Timberlands. Just basically the hang low, the tie or the factory lace version. If you guys like any of these 3 ways to lace Timberlands, smash that like button real quick, and while you're down there, smash the subscribe button. And now I'm going to be giving out my post notification shoutouts. So my post notification shoutouts for today go to Boom, Boom, and Boom. Thank you for commenting #HeatNation. Thank you for having your post notifications on. If you guys want a post notification shout out at the end of my videos, smash that bell button real quick and comment #HeatNation when done, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. So if you guys enjoyed, like I said, smash that like button, and like I always say at the end of my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next Friday and Tuesday. Goodbye.